Example 2. 2 lathe machines working together 4 hours and 48 minutes to complete a job. Working on its own, one machine takes 2 hours longer than the other to complete the job. How long does the slower machine take to complete the job on its own? Solution. Let us assume that the faster machine takes X hours to complete a job. Therefore, the slower machine will take 2 hours more than the faster machine. That is, X plus 2 hours. Let the job to be completed be denoted by J. Time taken to complete the job when both the machines are working, 4 hours and 48 minutes. We need to convert the unit of time into hours. 48 minutes equals 48 over 60 equals 0,8 hours. Therefore, total time taken equals 4,8 hours. Therefore, the speed of completing the job can be expressed mathematically as 1 over x plus 1 over x plus 2 equals 1 over 4/8. Adding the fractions, we get 2x plus 2 over x times x plus 2 equals 1 over 4,8. Cross-multiplying, we get x squared plus 2x equals 9,6x plus 9,6. Rearranging the terms, x squared plus 2x minus 9,6x equals 9,6. X squared minus 7,6x minus 9,6 equals 0. Multiplying throughout by 10, we get 10x squared minus 76x minus 96 equals 0. Dividing throughout by 2, we get 5x squared minus 38x minus 48 equals 0. Using the quadratic formula, we can factorize this expression. We ignore the negative root as x denotes time. Equals 8,70 hours. Note here that x denotes the time taken by the faster machine to complete the job. The slower machine takes x plus 2 hours, that is 8,7 plus 2 equals 10,70 hours to complete the job.
Need more help? Subscribe to our channel. Can't wait that long? Ask Masky to help you and let the math finally start mathing.